Hello, Selena here. Today I'm going to show you how to install and record your first video using Loom. Loom is a great tool for communicating with your team. You can easily record a short video to share your ideas or to explain something visually. You can also do a presentation or even create a short video tutorial just like this. And my favorite part is it can automatically generate a link that you can share with others right after you're done with this video. So let's dive right in. First, you want to make sure you open the Chrome browser, which is right here, and then go to Google, type in Loom install, and then click onto it. It will give you two options. So you'll have the desktop app version, which is the one that I'm using to create this video. And then you have the Chrome extension, which is my favorite. It will add an extension onto your browser and it will become a quick access, which make it so much faster. So let's install it. I remove it purposely so I can show you how it's installed. It's very fast. So just add to Chrome and then add extension, and then it will be downloading. And then once it's done with the download, you want to make sure on the top of your search bar, you have this little icon here. You want to click onto it and find Loom. You want to make sure it's pinned to the top. So there, now you'll have it right next to your search bar. So now we have the extension. Let's start recording. You just click onto this extension and then this toolbar will pop out. Very easy. And because I'm recording using the desktop version, it's showing you to Selena, which is kind of weird, but it's okay. It's all good. So now let's go back to the toolbar. You'll have two options. One is to record a video or to capture a screenshot. I find it useful somehow if you want to include some material as a part of your video, you can do the screenshot. You just select the area and then drag and drop, and then there you'll save an image. But let's go to create a video. You want to first make sure which screen that you want to choose. You can choose full screen or window or current tab. The full screen will give you whatever you have on your desktop, which means you'll have this window, and then if I have a document, I can choose that to show or not. Or you can have window, which will only show you this area, including all the tabs. But current tab, it will only show you the current tab. Or you can also choose camera only. So once you have that selected, let's say we want to do full screen, and then you want to make sure your camera is on, your audio is on, and then just hit start recording, and there. Easy, simple as that. And then you start recording. And once you're done recording, it should take you automatically to your library, video library. And if not, there's a little home icon. You just click onto it. It will take you to your library. And then you can see all the video that you created, and it will give you a link. Every one of the video will have a link automatically generated, and you can just share it like that to other people. Super easy. If you're just starting out creating videos, you can choose the free options, which allow you to create 5-minute video per video. And it also gives you 25 videos storage, which means if you're maxed out, you can always delete it and then you'll get more space. However, the video quality is 720 resolution. But for casual video recording, it's totally fine. If you do want to have higher quality video, which is 1080 resolution, you can always consider upgrading to the business version. That is $15 per month, and you get unlimited recording and unlimited video storage. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy creating!